Tech tip, plan view camera.
Okay, the other thing while I'm here in this job, one, let's go to plan view mode, right? And notice here it's asking to check my surfaces. So it's just gonna, I had this button check. So this is a new feature. I'll just talk about it now since I had it on, right? Confirm surfaces. So notice that popped up with that dialog box asking me which surfaces I want to compare. And where does that really come in handy?
Wait, man, now that you have, imagine you have 30 surfaces in here, right? I mean, if you
Right.
want to go to 3D view and compare subgrid versus the latest drone topo, you kind of want to tell Actic before you go to 3D view and calculate your surfaces, these are the two surfaces that I want to see. Maybe you're sitting with a client, you're trying to show them a complicated big project. You don't want to wait for the program to calculate the wrong surface, right? So
Right.
a good idea to turn it on. And then before you go to 3D view, calculate the two right surfaces. So
Yeah.
hopefully it saves you a little bit of time there too.
Yeah, I remember back in the day, before our computers sped up and the program itself, right? You'd go into 3D view and go to lunch, right? Because some of those big projects, right, just took forever. But thankfully now it's a lot faster, and so that helps even more, right? So this is plan view mode, right? Our cut fill map, typically what we're used to seeing. The guys in the field like these. They like to hang them on the wall. Nice little poster of the project, right? But notice here, we've got this little camera button. Is that so I can take a selfie? I got to make sure. I forgot to do my hair this morning. But if I click on that, just put a box around it. Wow, cool. Didn't do anything, right? So where we can see is if I go to edit mode, now if I go to my image selection, right? Image selection tool, turn that on, boom, we've got a selfie of the project, right? So pretty cool, whether we're planning hauls or, just working through the project, right? If I'm entering in data, of course I can turn it off with the J key, right? Obviously I would turn off probably my slope boundaries as well, but having that image in the background is going to be helpful, when planning hauls or trying to figure out, where's the cut and where's the fill, right? It's just like a PDF now. So we've got the ability to turn it on and off, right? And as we're working through our project.
And that's the cut fill of whatever two surfaces you were comparing,
Yes,
right? So,
that's
because
exactly right.
maybe I'm in the materials underground and I'm kind of doing the analysis or, right, what storm is running to big fills, right? Maybe you're trying to plan the better way to to do the sequencing of the project. Then you can go in and kind of visualize those colors as you do your work, or you do your again. A lot of the features that were asked back in 3D, 4D, and gradework,
Sure.
right, that are going to hopefully help us do analysis a little bit faster, right, and make it
Hey,
more profitable.
you ask, we listen.